Welcome, in front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock pattern to your device. So in such case, the best thing to do would be to try and remember the pattern that you entered the last time. If you find it, if you remember it somehow, it will save you a lot of time and a lot of work, and also your personal information and data. But if you can't remember it, then the other best option would be to contact VIVO customer support service and tell them about your issue, and they will most likely help you if you prove the ownership of your device to them. And if you can't do that, then the other solution would be to perform a factory reset operation on your phone. And if you haven't disabled the Find My Device feature on your phone, you can use the Find Hub service by Google. You can find it on the web. And using this website, you can log in into the Google account that is connected to your phone, that your phone is connected to, and just select your device and select factory reset, and this way you can perform a factory reset operation remotely. And once you do that, all the data from your phone will be removed, but you will regain access to your device once again. And the others, if you can't do this remotely, if you disabled Find My Device feature, then the last solution for you would be to perform a factory reset locally. To do that, you just have to use recovery mode, and if you don't know how to do that, or if you want some help with it, then we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And that will be all for this video, so thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.